Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is a BMW X3. This is the original car. Take a look. This is a disassembly tool. Everyone according to the situation to prepare. First, we remove the air outlet from the original car. Next, unplug all the plugs on the back of the outlet. Now let's loosen the screws that hold the key panel of the original car. Then pry open the plastic panel under the panel and remove the screws inside. Okay, remove the keypad panel and unplug the back. Loosen the screws holding the original engine. Now let's loosen the screws and remove the original screen. Now we install the base of the new screen and secure it. Now let's run the no power cord from the bottom to the top. Connect the AUX jack above, then connect the other wiring of the new screen in this way. Now connect the LVDS plug to the white electrical source of the new screen. Install the new screen. Okay, plug the big end of the new power supply into the mainframe. This end is connected to the original car power supply. Reinstall and secure the mainframe. Reinstall the key panel plug and install it to secure it. Reinsert the outlet plug and install the outlet. Let's now set the resolution of the original car system. Then we now go into the original car system, find the sound setting, go into CD, Multimedia, select Track, select External Devices. It can make Bluetooth calls and listen to Bluetooth music. Support a stern radar. Support door reminder. Support for ECU dashboard. Support map navigation. You can also download other map apps. Carplay is supported, where you can use voice assistance, make phone calls, listen to music, and navigate using maps.